Madam Moderator, Article 16H is a request for $31,000 from the tax levy to hire an engineering firm to evaluate options for the end-of-life replacement of the hot water heater at the Irving H. Mabee Town Pool Complex, including the use of fossil fuel alternatives, and to present their recommendations to the Recreation Committee and Select Board. The Irving H. Mabee Town Pool, located at the Center Recreation Complex, is an important resource within the town's park and recreation system. The pool is open from mid-May to Labor Day and serves hundreds of community members of all ages and abilities through numerous offerings, including fitness and learn to swim classes, lap and open swim, summer camp use, lab extended school year use, as well as by providing summer employment to dozens of teen and young adult swim instructors and lifeguards, and as an outdoor cooling station during unhealthy heat events. The hot water heater provides warm water to the 11 sinks and 18 showers within the men's, women's, and family restrooms, and to the outdoor shower on the pool deck. The provision of hot water for these purposes is required by the Massachusetts Department of Public Health for licensure to operate a public pool. Failure of the hot water heater would require immediate closure of the pool per Massachusetts DPH regulations. The current hot water heater, which is powered by heating oil, was installed in 2013 with an estimated lifespan of approximately 10 years. In consideration of the town's goal of net zero emissions by 2043 and the climate emergency resolution passed at the 2020 special town meeting, the Recreation Committee is requesting these funds to obtain expert evaluation of the feasibility and cost of non-fossil fuel powered replacement options. Madam Moderator, the Recreation Committee unanimously recommends approval of Article 16H.